Hey my friends, we're back cooking again today. And today I'm going to make Pastitsio, which is basically a Greek lasagna. And I'm making a quick version, more kid-friendly. I use beef instead of lamb. I like lamb a lot. I think that rich meat taste is really good. However, today we're using straight beef. And then to that I add some cinnamon sticks to that. I add a little clove and a little nutmeg in there to give it a real rich flavor for the meat. And then we're going to make a bechamel sauce, and that's basically a cream sauce. So here I have 1 stick of butter melted, and then to that I'm going to add about 8 tablespoons of flour. You want to basically do 8 equal parts of flour and butter, and this is going to make a roux, and a roux is a binding agent, so that's what we're going to use to thicken the milk sauce or cream sauce. So and there's many different types of roux. You can have a blonde roux, which is what we have right here. That's great for white sauces and stuff like that. Then you have a golden one, which is often made for soups and stocks and stuff. And then you have a brown roux, which is great for like Cajun or Creole cooking. It's often used in that for making sauces down there. But anyway, it can be used for, soups too. I think in, in Alsace, they make a bread soup and they thicken it with a brown roux, and I think the French do too. But anyway, getting back on track here, making a white sauce, that's it. And then we have these really cool noodles, which are used, these noodles right here, which are like giant pasta noodles, like giant macaroni noodles, and they're really cool. So these are components for our pasticcio, and then we'll throw it all together and we'll see how it comes out. So I just wanted to show you this again. We're making a roux here. Got your flour and butter, equal parts, and now we're going to add our cream, and then we're going to mix it all together. Have a nice lumpy white sauce. A nice white sauce, hopefully not lumpy. It does often get lumpy, so bear with me here as I mix this all together. It's also into this, I add a little nutmeg as good flavor for it, Okay. See, now we got a thick paste. And I'm actually adding half and half instead of heavy cream. And also, like when people make this dish, it's often made with cheese and the bechamel sauce. So I'm not going to put bechamel in mine, of course. I think this dish is rich enough as it is. Plus on the noodles, I'll just put a little cheese on the noodles to help hold them together. And that's it. So again, here we are making a bechamel sauce. Probably better to make it in a giant pan, like a quart pan, like a 5-quart pan, heavy bottom sauce pot. Shut off the heat here. Still a little too thick, because it's always going to thicken more and more. The more you cook it, the thicker it'll get. So I'm going to add a little milk to it to thin this out a little bit more. Yeah, I don't recommend this. I'm going to make another video because it's not going to work out. Thank you.